always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Today is the day, guys. We have come a long way, but the goal is finally in sight and we are so close to finish up this project. I've installed car sound insulation mats for damping and deadening on the whole car, and also installed the cables and powering for the hi-fi system.
Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going on and off again.
The carpet was really dirty and worn out, so I decided to clean it with a power washer and spray it with an interior color spray to get it back to life again, and I have to say it looks like it just came off the factory.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
At this point, I just want to give a huge thanks to my dad for making the interior happening. It's the most unique part of my car and I'm really proud of how it turned out. It was a lot of work, but in the end it was all worth it.
We lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
put in that sauce?
Alright guys, to disassemble the headlights, get the oven to 100 degrees Celsius and wait about 7 minutes to check if it's warm enough. After that you can take the headlights apart since the silicone is all loosened up. Now that the interior is assembled, we can bring the car back to the shop to proceed with the final steps. After the M4 pulled up, I really wanted to race him, but since the car is not finished, this is the only racing I could do that day.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
On the carbon bonnet we had to do multiple thick clear coats and sanding in between the layers since there were a lot of small little holes that we had to fill up. Now I will treat the cavities and the underbody with a product called Mike Sanders. It's actually not a wax, it is a grease that you have to heat up. And the advantage of a grease is that it will distribute itself even further when the weather gets warm, so the protection on this is just insanely good.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
The footage here is a bit grainy since I recorded this at nighttime, but I think you'll get the idea of what's happening. I filled the bottle up with the hot grease and now I'm slowly pulling the tube to get an even distribution.
Don't you think we're done? Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun. Don't you think we're done?
The side skirts are not genuine, so we had to improvise, but it actually worked out pretty well. And now we can assemble and polish the car, and the moment I've been waiting for so long has finally arrived. Only thing that is missing now is the spoiler and the titanium exhaust, which we will cover in the next video, so we still have a few episodes left for the Road to GTR series. I think that the car turned out exactly like how I imagined it years ago. Let me see in the comments what you think, and see you guys in the next video.
If you don't hear from me, there's nothing to say.